Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to be looking at some awesome new merchandise. Now, disclaimer, this is the 6th time recording this video. I'm getting to the end of my tether, but I don't care. We're going to do the video anyway. But I've got some awesome things for you today. I'm going to be giving away one of these t-shirts. I've got a huge discount code for the rest of you. So make sure you are subscribed with those notifications turned on. Leave any questions down below. Smash that like button. Let's get into the video straight away. If you guys are one of my students, you already know this, right? So if you're one of my Amazon students or affiliate like ebook students or consultation students or anything like that, you already know that I've created a lovely, incredible, cool, comfy brand, okay? And I'm not a very good salesman, am I? And what I did over the past couple of days is I gave away £1,000 worth of t-shirts to people that have supported me, and the people that I've been trying to help generate income for themselves. So for those guys, I hope you enjoy your t-shirts. I hope you get them very, very soon. Let me know how they fit. For everyone else, right? For everyone that follows me on YouTube, I wanted to do something else as well. I want to explain to you what this is all about and what it means to me, and kind of how you can get your hands on one. Okay. So this, if you can see this, I can't really stand up any higher, but it basically says assassin, right? It says assassin. There's a cool little logo that I created myself. That's right, I created myself. Cool little logo, and it's assassin. And what does this mean to me? You might think, what the hell is that? You can go out and kill people and murder people and shoot them in the head and stuff. No, don't do that. Unless people really annoy you, just don't kill anyone at all. And for me, it means a few different things, and let me get into the reason why I created this first. Over the past year, we've been able to build a community, the UK community, and it's something that the reason I started my YouTube channel is I wanted a bigger community. I wanted people that I could feel part of, because like many of you, like myself, like many of you and myself, when I started this, it was very hard to network with people. It was very hard to find people that were like-minded. And that's why I created my YouTube channel, so I could help other people that were looking for this information, but also I could actually network really easily by putting myself out there. And I started to find that we've created this community of like UK entrepreneurs, right? Most of us in the UK, we've created this community, and I think it's really awesome, like the UK squad. And it's just I want to enhance that brand. I want to enhance it and bring it up, so that we can, again, feel more of a community and we can have this culture. And over the past few weeks, I've been working on kind of how can I do that? And I was thinking, should we have like the UK squad like t-shirts? And eventually I got down to assassins, because for me, it's about like killing our competition. We're entrepreneurs, right? We're here to, first of all, change our lives, change the people's lives around us. We're here to make money. We're here to literally, do things that a lot of people never get to do. And we want to kill our competition. We want to say, for example, you're doing Amazon, you want to be the top seller. Like, if you don't want to be the top seller, that's cool, but you should damn well, you should be the top seller. There's no reason why you shouldn't. So we want to kill our competition. We want to do things better. We want to have better listings. We want to have a better bundle. We want to have better PPC, better pictures, everything. Same with affiliate marketing. We want to do better than everyone else. It's part of being an entrepreneur, is having that competition element. So we want to be an assassin. We want to assassinate our competition. We don't want to kill them. So we just want to assassinate them, what's it called? Metaphorically speaking, right? Metaphorically speaking, we want to kill them. And that's how I kind of came up with this assassins idea. Like, you're an Amazon assassin, you're an affiliate assassin. And so I gave away, about £1,000 worth of merch the other day, over the last couple of days, to my current students, and today I'm going to be doing a nice little giveaway. So if you do leave a comment down below and about anything, but there'll be points where you can leave comments today, then I will choose one person. I'm going to send a free t-shirt. I'll send that over to you kind of free of charge, so that'll be nice and easy. I just will need your address and stuff. Don't comment your addresses. I'll reach out to you. You'll email me. It'll be fine. Just comment down below. I'll put you forward for it. But also for everyone else, what I am going to do is, if you click the link in the description, it will take you to a store, right? It'll take you to a very simple Shopify store, temporary. It's not going to be there forever. But what I've done is I've made these shirts available. I've got some hoodies, and I've got some like vests and things like that. So whatever the weather, you have something to wear. Okay, whatever the weather. So the t-shirt's pretty cool there, obviously the best seller at the moment. We've got some men's t-shirts, we've got women's, we've got different sizes, we've got hoodies, again different sizes, men and women's, and we've also got a vest for women, like a stringer top for guys as well. So you can look pretty cool when you're outside in this lovely weather with a nice stringer top or vest. Maybe. Very comfy as well. So you guys can go ahead and do that. You have a huge discount. I'll give you a 50% discount for the first 50 people. So super exclusive. I'm not doing it for more than 50 people because otherwise I will lose loads of money. And I'm not in the business of losing money. I want to do this so it's, you know, at cost basically. So to give you guys, you know, a little something to kind of that you can value and you can say I'm part of this community as well. So go ahead and do that. The code is YouTube50, capital letters YouTube50. Again, I'll link that down in the description so you can actually see that, copy and paste it. That'll give you 50% off your total order. So if you want to get a couple of things, you can get a couple of things. It'll take you 50% off. Awesome deal, by the way, guys. It is an awesome deal. So make sure you go and do that now. Again, there's only going to be 50 available. Those will be gone very, very quickly. What I will then do in the future, now let me know if you want to see this, and this will also put you forward for the giveaway, is if you want me to do like a t-shirt giveaway like every week or every YouTube video, let me know down below if you think that would be a good idea, and I will think about it. I'm not saying I'll do it, I said I'll think about it. It depends how many people say, yeah, I would like free t-shirts. If you happen to buy a t-shirt today and you win the giveaway, what I will do is I'll either reimburse you for that or I'll send you a hoodie. Okay, so that's either one of those, one of the two. Okay, it depends on what you want to do, or maybe even the vest if you want to buy the vest, or the t-shirt if you didn't get the t-shirt, you bought the hoodie instead. So I'll give you an extra for free, or reimburse you for the one you bought. So hopefully guys you will like that. It's something that I will be working on in the future. I've got so many things I want to do around this kind of creating this community. It started already. The Shopify store is awful, like, so don't hate me on that. I just wanted to get something up and out there straight away, so that you guys can kind of get your hands on this sort of stuff. I'll increase it, I'll make it better, whatever. I've also got some things like some notebooks and stuff like that. Now I have yet to work out how to get these to people without physically doing it myself. You guys, I'm all about that passive income, that passive nature. I want to be doing, you know, whatever, and people be able to order these and get them delivered to their house. Or when someone signs up to be a student, it's going to automatically be delivered to them. So I'm just working that all out as we speak. But at the moment, you can get your hands on it by going to the store, which is the first link in the description. As I said, guys, super exclusive. So go and do it now. It doesn't cost much money. It's really cheap. Again, it's half price. You'd be crazy not to, because I'm not going to do half price again. So there we go. Hopefully that all makes sense. If I've missed something, then I've missed it. But as I said, this is the 6th time recording this video. The first 5 times, well, I messed up the first time, and then I didn't record the second time. The cats were fighting the 3rd time. The 4th time was just bad again. And the 5th time, I just don't know, it was just bad. So this is the 6th time. Hopefully it's been alright for you. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button. Remember, comment down below. I'll choose someone to get a free t-shirt. Make sure you see the link in the description. I've got a whole bunch of stuff to announce to you over the next few weeks, like some really, really crazy things. I'll be in Bali next week for a couple of weeks. So if you're in Bali, hit me up on the DMs and we can see if we can collaborate. But it's going to be cool. I've got loads of stuff coming. I can't wait to show you guys. Hope you've enjoyed today. Make sure you enjoy the lovely sun outside. Make sure you subscribe with those notifications turned on. I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.